took $5,000 from my brokerage account, cash. I didn't sell any stock, cash. Sent it to my bank checking account. This is a wonderful way to live. You just push buttons. Your checking account goes down because you're spending money constantly on bills or whatever, like cruising for me or going to other land casinos. It's wonderful when you can just push some buttons on the internet and your checking account goes up. Oh, I love that. It almost feels like it's not money. It's just a bunch of numbers. But you don't lose any sleep at night pushing those kind of buttons.